Alright, this is a small little video of what I'm doing right now. This is the new power steering box. Probably not new, but reman. Yeah, that's a reman. This is a reman here. See how it looks? This is what's going in. And this is the old one I took out. See, this is the old one, and it's busted up right up in there. That's where it's busted up at. So it was leaking up in there. It got shaking, a little rocking all up in there. Got my truck all bouncing all every damn where. See, this is the steering box. This is what I took off, because that ain't no good. And I took it off from right here. This is a 1999 Freightliner Classic. This is my truck. This is everything you see here. This is what I do. I drive and I do the mechanic work. I save some money. Yeah, you know. So I'm going right back up in there. That's the steering rod. You have to flush this. I got to take this off because there's a filter in there I got to take out. Once you grab that filter, then you can put the system back. That got to come out of there. I'm going to show you how that right now while I'm doing that. Alright. I take this little bracket off back here so I can get that filter out. And I gotta go to Freightliner in the morning and pick one up. Let me turn it back a little bit. There you go. Alright. Alright, we're gonna try to get this filter off. Which I'm talking about is an old filter in there. So we're gonna change the steering box. I'm gonna have to grab that filter. So I need to take care of my hand. See my tattoo? We gotta take that off. There's a filter in there I gotta get. Damn thing dirty. I wanna clean that up before I put the whole thing back together. This is called doing it the right way, so you ain't gotta go behind yourself again. Alright, once I get this off, then I'll put the steering box back on. Oops, my mistake. There you go. Changing the gearbox on a 1999 Freightliner Classic. Some people ask, why are you fixing a Freightliner Classic? Because I had it 14 years and the truck don't owe me nothing. That's why. There we go. I want to take that filter out. You see that? Just so some people fail to realize what they have to do. That got to come out. There you go. You see? And that's dirty. Look at that. That's why they say flush the system. See how black that is? Look, that shit, look, that's black. That got to come out. That'll get changed in the morning when I go to the dealer, but that's it. Get back at you in a minute. I'll put this back on. Get back at y'all.